Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chiva Masagariciano, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Cancerian. So, Cancer. Ano kayang messages sa inyo ng ating angel spirit? So, guys, this reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit kayo ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, ano ang pinakamensahe sa'yo ng ating Archangel Raphael? Archangel Raphael messages, detoxification o paglilinis, no? Kailangan mong kumain ng mga bagay na makakapag-detoxify sa inyo. So some of you sa inyo parang kumbaga kailangan nyo malinis, no? Or something, it's either kumbaga about sa healing or about sa spiritual and of course about sa medical. Sinasabi detoxification. Kailangan nyo ng paglilinis. Kumbaga kailangan nyo maging free for chemicals, ganun. Kumbaga kailangan nyo maalis at malinis by chemicals. And of course, there is a diet is important here. No? Kumbaga magbawas-bawas ka sa rice. Magbawas-bawas ka sa mga kinakain mo. No? Kumbaga, kailangan mong mag-ingat sa mga nilalamon. So, what is additional messages? Improving health. So, some of you nag-i-improve na yung health mo, no? Kumbaga talagang gumaganda ng kalusugan mo. So, may mga magagandang eksena naman sa'yo dito. So, sinasabi dito, detoxification, mukhang nalilinis na, no? Yung ang inyong kalusugan, no? Naisa sa ayos na. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is Eight of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's kumbaga, trabaho, kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-focus, no? And of course, dedication pagdating talaga sa negosyo at trabaho. And of course, there's justice. Kumbaga, there's a justice will serve or good karma is coming in. Kumbaga, may mga taong gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, coming back, balik-balik sa kanila, kumbaga, malilinis mo na yung sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, hayaan mo sa kanilang bumalik yung mga bagay na alam what they deserve. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a lot of messages coming in for you. Maraming mensahe, maraming ganap ang mangyayari dito. And of course, there's a trouble, no? At the same time. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. Slow and steady, kalma-kalma lang. Ocho. And of course, there's Seven of Pentacles. Harvest time. So there's a harvest time at the same time. And of course, there's Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in. Wow! May pera, ti! May matatanggap kang pera. It's either pension or something. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. There's a burden, no? May mga bagay na kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mong tumutok sa mga bagay-bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo. And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo dito na there's Eight of Swords. See? There is kumbaga ano siya, blockages or mga negative thoughts, no? Kailangan mo na mag-move on, kailangan mo na pakawalan. Huwag ka mag-alala, diba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, alam man yung ginagawa nila, babalik sa kanila with the Justice card. So, what is the Eight of Wands? Wow! Ito ha, guys ha, there's an 888. So, there's a big money coming in talaga, ti. So, lakas ng energy dito na 888 sa abundance. Masabog pera. Pero of course, sinasabi dito with the judgment, no? Awakening, wake up call. No? Kailangan mo nang gumising at sa katotohanan or gumising sa, kumaga sa inyong eksena. Kumaga, there's a judgment. May hawak siyang parang genero. Gener. Nano sa paa. Nakaano sa paa ng pusa, chineso. Diba? Kumaga sinasabi siya dito na protectionan mo yung sarili mo. Diba? And of course, there's the hangman. No? Kumbaga, you're feeling stuck or you're feeling hung, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, hinay-hinay lang, no? Sa pagkilos, no? And of course, there is a 5 of Pentacles. Kumbaga, meron dito makaka-recover ka na about sa finances. No? Makaka-recover ka na. What is the Ace of Pentacles? There is a 9 of Swords. Anxiety, deception, no? Kumbaga, siguro na-stress ka last time or last few months or last few weeks. Kumbaga, about sa finances, no? So, there's a big money coming in. So, eto na. Kumbaga, ma-relief na yung iyong pag-aalala. So, what is the 8 of Pentacles? And of course, the 10 of Wands. There's Ace of Cups. There's a new beginning and of course, new love life, new coming in, and of course, new romance. So what is the Justice and of course, the 8 of Swords. So, there's a Lover's card. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito may love life, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo what you deserve, no? Some of you baka ginayo mo yung person mo, diba? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, hindi siya makakilos, hindi siya makagalaw. Feeling niya nasa ano siya, himahinasyon. Himahinasyon, gano'n. Kumbaga, may gawa siya ng gayuma. So, some of you guys, sinasabi sa'yo dito na makukuha mo yung deserve mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong protection at pangalagaan siya. And of course, there's an Hermit card. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa ito, no? Soul enlightenment. So, what is the 9 of Wands and the Hangman? And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. So, there's a 6 of Swords, sorry. There's a 6 of Swords. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a transition, no? Makakaalis ka na sa feeling stuck na yan, no? So, what is the 8 of Pentacles? The 10 of Pentacles. The 5 of Pentacles, sorry. There's 3 of Wands. So, there is waiting for a result or waiting for a shift. No, marunong ka mag-antay dapat, ha? So, antay-antay ka lang at habaan mo ang pasensya mo. There's a trouble or there's an information. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Knight of Swords and of course, the Devil. See? Talagang may pumapasok sa isip o sa panaginip mo dito, no? Maraming na, kumbaga, ginugulo or hinaharang about sa finances mo. Kumbaga, harangin man na nila ng harangin yan. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na darating naman yan sa ibang araw lang, diba? Or sa ibang eksena lang. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na sa kanila, kapag bumalik yan, triple, 10 beses ang balik. So, what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome dito, Cancerian, is the Emperor. Be mature enough, and of course, there's a 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups na evaluate, analyze, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo munang pag-isipan bago ka mag-take ng action. And of course, the Queen of Swords, maging matalino, at of course, tignan ang makahihinat na ng eksena. Huwag kang pala desisyon. And of course, there's a Moon card, there's a revelation. Maraming revelation, marami kang malalaman, no? Kumbaga, marami kang ugnayan dito sa eksena na to, kailangan mong mag-ingat. At the same time, siguro sa mga kinakain mo, at kailangan mong kumain ng mga fruits and vegetables, no, for your detoxification para makatulong sa panunaw o makatulong sa pag-alis or pag-detoxify ng mga pagkain kumbaga nakasira sa katawan mo. Yung parang pang-release ng mga mo yon, mga tawag ito, bacteria o ganon, yung mga bagay na alam mong nakakasira sa kalusugan mo, diba? Because there's an improving health. Mag-i-improve na raw yung health mo dito, no? So, let's see. What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? There's a girl talk. Pinag-uusapan ka dito, pinag-chichismisan ka, yung and of course, there's a Key of the Ring. Ibig sabihin dito, marami kang options, marami kang eksena. And of course, there's a Paradise. There's a happiness coming in for you. And of course, have faith, love is coming. May parating na pag-ibig. So, what is the yin and yang oracle card? What is the yin and yang oracle card? There's a third eye, clarity. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng kaliwanagan dito, T. Or some of you may third eye, ha. And of course, there's a decision. Kailangan nyo raw mag-decision dito. At the same time, there's a confusion, no? Parang minsan naguguluhan ka, no? So, let's see what is another messages for energy. There is a thinking man. So, some of you, ha, parang may tumitingin dito sa'yo bilang isang diamond, Taray, and angel of strength. Pinalalakas ka at bibigyan ka ng kalakasan at katibayan dito, no? Ginagawa kang matapang dito ng ating angels. And of course, there is a strength, double clarification of strength, no? Kumbaga talagang palalakasin ka at patitibayin ka dito. And there's a family related dito, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng happiness with your family, no? At talaga yung family nagiging central of your life purpose mo. Because Cosmology, what you need to release, no? Ano ba yung kailangan mong alisin? No? May mga bagay na kailangan kang i-release dyan. Attitudes, yung mga bad habits, no? Yun yung kailangan mo alisin. Of course, yung mga negative thoughts. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Another messages. Okay, thank you. So, let's see. So, there's explore your option. Na kailangan tignan mo pa yung mga magagandang eksena pa. Yung alam mo yung, kumbaga, nakita mo na yung nangyari or nakita mo na yung mga bagay na nakikita mo sa situation mo, pero tinitignan mo pa rin yung better side, no? At the same time, there's your children are watching over by angels. So, ibig sabihin yung mga anak mo, yung mga apo mo, yung mga bagay na mahal mo, mga bata dyan sa paligid mo ay ginagabayan ng inyong mahal sa buhay, no? Ng ating angels. And of course, the personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung mga taong kinakausap mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo naman daw. So, let's see what is angels messages. What angels messages? Winter transition release. So, may kailangan talagang alisin, T, no? And of course, there is an elemental kingdom for balance. Kailangan mo maging balance. No? Kailangan mo maging balance dito. At the same time, and of course, there's a sense, confident. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili mo. Confident in everything you do. So, what is a romance angels? What is the romance angels? You deserve love. You are lovable. Wow. So, let's see what is the chakra. What is the chakra, angel spirit guides? So, there's a victim. Some of you, may mga biktima dyan ng eksena. No, biktima ng abusive or biktima ng mga manloloko, no, ng mga nangungutang, char. And of course, there is a passion na kailangan, kumbaga, talaga kung ano yung hilig mo, di ba, gawin mo. And of course, there's a forgiveness, no? Bigyan ng kataparan at bigyan ng katahimikan ng puso at isip mo. No? Kalayaan ng pagpapatawad. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? May peace I live with you, may peace I give it to you. Bigyan mo ng kapayapaan yung sarili mo, di ba? Ganun din nabibigay ng kapayapaan sa'yo ng langit. So, what is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? 12-12, I am focused. So, kailangan mo mag-focus, diba? I told you, diba? Kailangan mag-focus sa sarili mo, yung mga ginagawa mo. Stay focused on your best possible future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are the right behind you as you turn your dreams into reality. So, kailangan mo mag-focus sa mga ginagawa mo para may isa katuparan mo yung mga hinihiling mo. Wow, may sign ng may sign ng angel spirit na totoo yung sinasabi natin. Kailangan mo mag-focus doon sa ginagawa para matupad at may isa katuparan mo. Kasi may nagtiktik ng butike Nagtiktik ka ng butike. So, ibig sabihin doon, kumbaga binibigyan ka ng katuparan. And of course, sinasabi dito, the path of the light. Life places the perfect people and situation on my path to help me advance on my journey of my inner growth. I possess the courage I need to progress despite of any difficult obstacles I might meet. I study my experiences seeking the wisdom they have to offer. In this way, I am from day to day, I choose to grow in my faith, and I am confident that as the end of the road, I will join the light. See? Pagkatapos mo niya makikita maliwanag sa lahat ng mga eksena na yan, makukuha mo yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo, kaya kumapit ka. Maisa sa katuparan mo ang mga plano at ang mga hangarin mo sa buhay. So guys, this reading is Arcangel Raphael messages for the sign of Cancer, and this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!
Kanina mas